Kinong lang tin jong kaseng Trump National Liberation Council hakajing ikran yasuk bat ka sarkar bar Presiden jong kaseng Trump National Youth Front HNYF iba sadan kebla hakasngi ublay balala ila ang ba kajing klat baklempat day por jong General Secretary barem kaseng HNLC iba cheers the field thank you kalapan slam bat kalawan ra jing ya kajing ikran yasuk iba bla ila ang ba kinong yalam kaseng HNLC kibadan menta nakabenta kajing ikran yasuk kilele kat bala ban yadan bentalang ha kajing kan mau burom ya unong yalam barim jongki iba bla ila ang ru ba kajing bishar halor kajing klat jong General Secretary barim kaseng HNLC iba cheris the field ars ne menshwa kan ngya hing bishar klea high court bat imkwa ban kran halor kate kapang namar ba kate kamat kadang don habo kajing mi jong kajing bishar
shootout which happened in Mama 2 years ago is under the scrutiny of the High Court of Meghalaya. So I will not make any comment regarding the satisfaction or not satisfaction of it because it is a matter under the purview of the courts and the court is scrutinizing the entire report. So we will have to wait for the court report to express our satisfaction or dissatisfaction.
Superintendent of Police SP